boy. Alright. What's going on? Huh? Sama? Good Samas? Good Samas? Shh. 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 Trying to go back outside? Huh? Good Sam. Good Sam. Go outside? Sam, outside? What is that, voice mod? Sounds pretty good. Just give it a minute here. There we go. Welcome, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Just testing the microphone while we get started here.
Check, check. Yeah, we got the voice mod running.
got voice map running and all that. That's cool. That's like voice map. Well guys, back to the stream here. What's been going on? I hope you guys had a good day in the market. My account was green today, out of nowhere. Hey, what do you know? All we gotta do is click on live stream and put some money in that. How's that work, huh? Alright. I'm gonna pull up the CTA Machines right about AI, and then we're gonna look at a few tickers, and I also got a special ticker that I'm gonna throw out there only because I just seen a video on it, and we'll probably talk about that in a minute here, and I'll tell you what that ticker is. Alright, so it's promising. It's like a slow bet, not saying it ain't going rockets tomorrow. I ain't saying that, but I saw a cool video, and so I got a little Easter egg for some point in the show, right? All right. Well, if you guys all think that that's good, then I guess we should get to just looking over this. So the things I'm going to go over today, we're going to hit boil. We're going to hit SVIX. We're going to hit, I don't know. I've been thinking about bonds, but we'll probably hit the dollar and see what's going on with the dollar. And then the Easter egg, which is in biopharmaceuticals. If you want to know a little hint, biopharmaceutical oil market. We're getting more towards, back more towards these medical stocks because, you know, with what's going on in November and December, we might be seeing another outbreak of some kind. So,
Daniel-san, it is time me and you have aggro fight.
Mr. Miyagi, I don't want to hurt you again. You barely have aggro.
It is a Miyagi way!
Okay, I'll pull it out.
Good boy, Daniel-san. Fight!
Yeah.
alright, if you guys aren't familiar with LODA, go on here, check out the about page, check out the terms. We'll be updating this pretty soon. Let's go ahead and get done with the login, and let's log into LODA. Now, as this logs in, we're still looking at moving the server over to different program cloud, which has a scalable server. If you guys are ready, you got a computer, Windows machine, you want to go on here, log in, and download these robots here and run them. You know, run your account. You want to create your simulation once you get an account on whatever ticker you're trying to run simulations on, and then RobinBot will play your Robinhood account via control of your computer, and the blockchain server will help process the AI function of this whole system. Oh, it looks like the bot's just loaded in. You can see I'm running quite a few tickers so that we have opportunity in the market every day to get into something that is traveling in the right direction. Zoom in here. You will see KOLD, BOIL, TQQQ, SQQQ, SVIX, SVXY, SOXL, SOXS, UVXY, AMC, UUP, DRN, SNDL, SPXU, BTX, BITI, SKFRY, UYG, FXO, URA, UEC, Tilray, TSLL, STXT, CRISPR, MARA, MAX, SPYU, and XGN. And the Easter egg for you guys, the one that I just added in here, is the biopharmaceutical Tello, which is running telomeres, and they're going to let you, this life extension pharmaceutical that just had some trial runs that did pretty good. So, you might want to try hitting all that up, and then add in some of these tickers maybe. If you want to run LODEV and default, it runs all these tickers here because this is the default account for LODEV. And so if you don't put in your account number into RobinBot, it's actually going to run this account here, and it'll choose from these. So if you don't even know what to choose, just go ahead and don't put your account number in, and then you'll run the defaults of things that I'm telling people to be running and stuff. So you got your analytics down here, shows you what is winning, what's losing for the day, and everything, why. And then we have our open transactions are flashing green here, and then closed transactions blue for profit, green red for non-profit. And so we got to see what's going on here and read the codes. Code 99, robot 4. See, that's not too good for XGN. That's pretty bad. I mean, we did try to fix, we did do a bug fix yesterday that fixed the anti-hacking, wrong numbers. So if you end up getting your simulations is unable to retrieve wrong or other numbers that are not supposed to be in that location, and you can recognize that. And we have the AI build that whole BattleNet type bot and everything. You can edit your simulation here. Go ahead and select the simulation that you want to edit. For instance, STXT, and you will wait here for a second. It's researching, it's trying to pull that stock up out of your database here. And it should give us some options to be able to change the settings if it's going. We're having a lot of CPU load lately with everybody learning about low dev coming in, and we got tons of people coming in right now trying to run the software, having problems here, problems there, and that's to be expected. And so we're having slow wait times across this web server, and we will get that fixed in the future, guarantee you. Like the Men's Warehouse says, I'll guarantee it. You're gonna like it, I'll guarantee it. Something like that. So pop in your stop losses, your RSI, pullback, and your RSI, high pullback, low pullback right there. I leave it around the same. It uses full number or whole numbers. So you're looking at the low pullback starts at what, less than that, like 1/5 of a percent to 2%. It'll buy in if as the SDX is going up. So anyways, close that out. You can delete your simulation. You can reset your bank. You can run up any bank you want up to like $1 million right now, and throw in your simulations and see if you can find a strategy that works for you. If let alone, you could always know where your CTA machines are sitting at in the market. So if you're trading, you can use them as like this, the bait goat. Bait. Alright, so we also have a video module. You can pull that up and check out some of the categories that we have available, and that'll be updated in the future as well. And then let's get on to Robinhood. Your browser, you should be running Chrome browser. Your icon should be pinned to the taskbar. You're running low dev and you're running Robinhood. Set your home page to Robinhood so that your low dev software will work correctly. I'm running the default black dark scheme for Robinhood. Everything else is pretty much default. On Windows there's a darker, different bar down here, but all images you're able to update with snipping tool available from Windows. So. As you can see here, we got a little bit of green today, coming off our boil puts, ran up into 48% and 2% up, 2% up. So we're waiting for these boil puts to pull through, and I've been dipping out of the calls. We got one left there. We gotta get rid of them. We'll probably end up buying another call or two tomorrow at the correct prices to try to offset any losses that we might foresee on the boil puts over the next month. As you can see, all these boil puts and stuff that's manually traded by me, and then I have an options bot that helps facilitate the sales of these, or the transactional buying of these at the low price, so it's the high price. So it kind of it's like an options for dummies robot, especially when you have fat fingers, let's say, right? Lower than that, as you can see, the stocks that right now, these are all controlled. The shares are all controlled by the CTA machine that's coming out of this low dev bot console here, and then we got servers running Robinbot that respond to the Robinhood screen here and purchase and sell these according to the computer trading algorithm. So what's my take on the market as we speak right now? Well, we're seeing a negative total here, which means that we're traveling in the downward direction, even though some things may go up and reveal profits. So the majority of all of these tickers is traveling in the downward direction. So noting that we would say the market has peaked and is looking to go even more short, but we have some stragglers, and a lot of people don't believe that is the case, and they will soon find out when the pain is delivered, and it sends their bank accounts into the grave. Into the grave. Oh, we don't have any cool. We don't have any cool voices yet. It says new voices every day on voice mod, daily new voices, but we won't give you anything that like is cool. If you wanted, you can get the cute voice.
So you can get the cute voice for free.
Yeah, that doesn't work. I don't like that.
Give me a banana. Give me a banana.
Yeah, that's clearly their rainbow shit, and this banana voice, if for free, is all set up to do exactly what I just did and look like a fool. Okay, so we'll probably get pro here on that pretty soon. Oh, that's cheap. Shit. Yeah, I'll get pro and we'll get the voices. So we'll be all set up over there. No more bananas. All right. We don't do bananas. So, as far as the buy, I've been holding biddy, and it looks like that Bitcoin tried to push back up a little bit, and so we lost a little bit of headway there. I would assume, I don't assume anything in this market anymore, in this world. This little show they got going on, it'll go every which way. However, uranium is looking pretty strong still. It is trying to keel over with the rest of the market. But who knows? If a war breaks out, nuclear war, this might go up in price. Even though nobody wants to hear that, right? So, is there any? What is that? That's soundboards. Key binding soundboards. What is there for sounds? Is there any nuke sounds? Nuke sound? No. We can summon the.
With this treasure, I summon. A grip sword. Divergency. Divergency. Injured cold.
She know, oh yeah, that's for sure. She loves the attention that she gives when she moves. Showing out with a homegirl, and she got me watching too, 'cause she knows. Oh, she knows. She knows.
Looks like it likes to reject from the 200 MA. So, and we're under 200 MA, so if we pop up here, it'd probably go short again. But, like I said, I don't play this by hand. I can't play this crap by hand, because every time I do, they'll get me. So we let the machines run. It's for fun. We have to make it anyways. Not unless you're in options or you got a bunch of money to start with already. Someone got $2 million and start buying options, they're gonna freaking suck it out of you. Alright, what are we gonna do? Oh yeah, we gotta run through oil. My nemesis. My nemesis. It's our natural gas features. If you come in here and pull up the 3 months, let's see what's we're coming up onto this the 200. Oh gosh. If we get above the 200, we go long. All right, we're going calls on oil. If we come up above the 200 on the 3 month, we're going long on calls like we did over here. All right. But we're still in the puts because we're under, so we're looking to reject. And then we got to trade and we got to go to calls, alright? So chill, hang in there. Hang in there, we're almost there. I know it's getting scary. They've been trying to run me broke, running speculation into the ground, dude. Well, guess what, man? You think that you're the junkler?
Preview.
Well, that's what I'm thinking that we do on Boel, and so that's the plan. What is it going up? Is it going down? Bro, I don't know. They've had it flat. They've had it flat, flat, flat. Ruined all speculation. Drove me to the poorhouse, and now they need to bring speculation back, and so they can go back up. What did I say we're gonna do? SVX and then the Easter egg. SVIX and then the Easter egg. Easter egg. Telepharmaceutical. As I predicted, we're still going short. Not very much, but it is going down. So, what is it going to do? Let's go 3 months. We got to come up to that. We got to trading it down. We're into the 200, man. That's what says. Alright, Telo. Let's say trade it down. Telemere Pharmaceuticals 3% today. Dude, I mean, it started off up 10% pre-market and then lost it all. So that tells you kind of something. If we pull out to the 3 month here, we are about the 200 MA, which is a new stock. I couldn't imagine that it would be correct with that. But look at this, man. She's getting speed. She's starting to get some speed here. Alright? We're going to run this line up here like that, and it's about to shoot up again. And they're research this company. I think you'll be surprised that this company could be the next Jewel. Literally could be the next Jewel. We should be buying this right. Keep your stuff on shares so that the robot works right, alright? Alrighty, well, I think that's about gonna do us. So, I mean, I hope you guys had a decent time this time. And I got through it a little bit better than the other ones. But, you know, it is what it is. But anyways, I guess I'll be back tomorrow for another live stream, and we'll see where the robots are and where the market takes us. Alright guys,